So today we're taking a look at Steven Curtis Chapman's Not Home Yet. And from what I could see, it was never released on a album per se. It was released on a greatest hits record in between the Signs of Life and the Speechless album, but did not appear on a album itself. And if I'm wrong, please comment in the section below, and happy to stand corrected. Anyway, let's get into this. So drop D tuning, low E is turned down to a D, everything else is standard tuning. So the first chord is first finger, fourth string, fifth fret, fifth finger, seventh fret, third string. And the picking, he uses a hybrid picking in his right hand. So he uses a pick to keep that thumping bass line going, and then he uses these middle two fingers, the second and third, or third and fourth finger to pick the third and fourth strings. So it goes something like this. So that is a slide up to the seventh. And then back to the fifth. And then he's using the second finger, fourth string, fifth fret, first finger, third string, fourth fret. And then this little riff he does is hammer on fifth fret, open D. He does that twice. So hammer on twice, and then the low E string. The main thing to notice about that riff is he does not do it every time. So he does it in the middle of the line. So it's to all the travelers, pilgrims longing for a home, for one who's walked with you on this journey's called life's road. So you notice that in the middle of the lines, not at the end of the lines. And then when he comes out of the end of the line, it's a little bit, I don't know if it's quicker or not, but it feels quicker. To all the travelers, pilgrims longing for a home, all the verses are the same. So at the end of the verse, he goes, for one who's walked with you on this journey's called life's road. It's a long and winding road. So that stretch chord just has a beautiful tone quality to it. But anyway, it's the first finger, sixth fret, first finger, sixth string, second fret, fourth finger, fourth string, fourth fret, fifth finger, fifth string, fifth fret. And he doesn't play the high E. He plays down to the B string. So it's on this journey's called life's road. It's a long and winding road. And that chord essentially is a G. So we have a mini bar on the two strings down here. We have the fifth finger, fifth fret, fifth string, 4th finger, 6th string, 5th fret. Yep. And then in between the first and the second verse, he kind of pauses there. And then he goes right into the second verse. And for one who's seen the view and dreamt of staying on the mountains high, one who's cried like you, wanting so much just to lay down and die. Promise you this, we must remember this. And now he's into the chorus. We must remember this. We are not home yet. We are not home yet. So that's just a D. And he really emphasizes this low E string. Gives you a nice, very nice full sound. And then up to that G chord that we just learned. So we are not home yet. We are not home yet. Second part. Keep on looking ahead. Let your hearts not forget. We are not home yet. We are not home yet. So, keep on looking ahead is B minor. Lift that off. Then to the G. Lift your pointer finger off again. And then back to the D. And then to the G. Keep on looking ahead, let your hearts not forget. We are not home yet. We are not home yet. Not home yet. And then he's right into the third verse. So close your eyes with me. Hear the Father saying, welcome home. Let us find the strength and all his promises to carry on. He said, I go prepare a place for you. So let us not forget. We are not home yet. Okay, so does the chorus. We are not home yet. So we are not home yet. I know there'll be a moment, I know there'll be a place where we will see our Savior fall in his embrace. So let us not grow weary or be content to stay. We are not home yet. We are not home yet. So the middle 8 section is just a bounce between that stretch chord and the G. Back and forth. Except on the last line. So let us not grow weary or be content to stay. We are not home yet. And in the end, he just bounces back and forth on the D and the G, you know, singing what he sings there. We are not home yet. So we are not home yet. And then the ending. Not home yet. So let us journey on, 'cause we are not home yet. So that was a pretty quick tutorial on Not Home Yet. All the pieces are there. You might just have to study it a little bit to put it all together so it works. But that is it. If you like this content, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.